dear students and staff, we acknowledge that current national and global conditions may create some levels of stress and anxiety. Thus, during these uncertain times, we remain committed to provide support even while you are not on campus and under conditions of self-isolation. First, I want to thank the students for working with us to vacate residences as we go into lockdown mode. It will greatly assist in reducing the risk of infection. Students still in residence may contact the Travel Assist email as we will continue our efforts to get you home today. We will continue to support you whilst at home in the following ways. The Student Financial Aid Office will continue to be contactable by email on financialaid@uct.ac.za. Staff are working off-site but will be focusing on finalizing students' funding for 2020 and will also continue to pay allowances. Important information for financial aid and gap-funded students will be shared via VULA, so please check your VULA financial aid tab. Similarly, our staff in student wellness is on standby to support you. You can continue to access therapists for telephonic counseling or Skype sessions, and sessions can be booked via the existing online appointment system. Social workers are also available for psychosocial support. Our therapists will be sharing digital online health tips and mental health self-help tips whilst you are away, so please look out for these. For medical advice, you may call the Students' Triage line, and virtual consultations can also be booked online. All COVID-19 queries, however, must be directed to the NICD Hotline nationally. In terms of transformation, it is important to create unity and solidarity even via virtual platforms. In this regard, we ask UCT stakeholders, students and staff to meet online to continue your transformation learning journeys and the transformation improvement plans in order to sustain the momentum and the progress initiated earlier this year. OIC operations are being provided via virtual platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Skype for Business and Zoom Call. Critical services for disabled students continue, as does the survivor support and group counseling, which is being provided online for participating survivors. UCT survivors are able to join individual and group online counseling by contacting our new survivor support officer, Yumna Sidat, who joins UCT from Rape Crisis. For more detailed information on the remote services and support, please visit the OIC website. Then Rob Morel will continue to meet with NGAP and NGP members via Skype. He will also communicate with both groups via newsletters. We invite you to utilize existing email groups for both the NGAP and the NGP as a means of staying in touch as a cohort. Finally, the Social Responsiveness Hub will endeavour to support staff and students in their social responsiveness activities as follows. Teaching and learning support will take place via the SILT Remote Teaching series of webinars. One-on-one support for students working on co-op projects will also continue remotely. Staff on the Engage Scholarship Program are able to access material and engage the ESP team via VULA. Please visit UCT's coronavirus disease website for updates on how UCT is responding to this international pandemic. Here you will have lots of useful information. Together we can reduce the spread of COVID-19, and together we shall overcome. Please keep safe and look after yourselves.